everyone, I'm Akanksha Burle, the Data and Business Analytics intern, the Spark Foundation. This is the task 1 of the program. Task 1 focuses on the prediction using the supervised machine learning model. The problem statement is to predict the scores of the student depending upon the hours of the study. So, the data set is provided the data set between the scores and the hours of the student. For this, we are using the supervised machine learning model. And this model is the linear regression, which is the simple linear regression between the two variables. So here I have imported the required libraries. First one is the pandas, second one is NumPy, then the matplotlib for the graphs, Seaborn, scikit model selection, scikit-learn linear model, and matrices. Here I have reading the data using the CSV file which is given to the pandas dataset. And now we have read the CSV file which is located in the same location of this file. And I have displayed first 5 data present in the dataset by using the head command. And here we are checking if there is any null value. And here no null value are present in the dataset as it written false. Proceeding ahead, we have represented this dataset as a scatter plot. All scores that are plotted against the respective hours, and we have used the scatter plots for this, which is representation of the data given to us, and we are plotting a linear regression model. It confirms the correlation. It is confirmed from this plot the variable that they are positively correlated. Then moving further, we are splitting the data into the training and the test the data set. So we have imported the train test plate from the scikit model learn, and we have X train, Y train, and X test and Y test. Now moving further into the linear regression step, first we have to train the data. So we have taken X and we have the object the size this. Basically from this linear model, as a scikit-learn taken the linear regression set and all the 25 points given. I have tried to fit the line across the points to the graph, and that point concept to the linear regression we have tried to fit the point in straight line to get the perfect fit. Now we are fitting the model for the X train and Y train. Hence, the training is done successfully. Now we are predicting the percentage of the marks. So we are predicting the scores from the hours of given data. Here we are comparing the data which is actually given and the prediction values. Here the actual value is 20 and the predicting value is 16.84. Here the actual value is 27 and the prediction value is 33.74 and so on. This is the visual comparison of the predicted marks and actual marks. And we have used the scatter plot to present this one. So here we are going to evaluate the algorithm. There are different evaluation metrics. We have mean absolute error, mean square error, root mean square error, and so here we have used the mean absolute error. We are calculating the accuracy of the model by using the mean absolute error function, and by doing this I return to be 4.13. So the question is, what will be the predicted score of the student if he or she studies for 9.25 hours per day? The test case was 9.25, and using this regression model, it predicts that the scores of that student would be 93.89 approximately. So this is the task completed. Thank you.